Harry and Shelly Startoon Challenge 1. The interview.
We better hurry, Harry. This hastily photoshopped conference room is only booked till 12.
Right. Let's get this over with.
Okay, Franny, fire away.
Question 1.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
For breakfast, I had dehydrated terrapin pellets, a bowl of fruit, mashed, and a mean cup of Space Joe. How about you, Shelly?
Okay, breakfast. Let's see. I just had a slice of leftover pizza, no pineapples, and a bowl of intergalactic sugar-frosted whippity zingers.
Breakfast of champions.
Question 2.
What is your best or worst childhood memory?
Oh, when I was in elementary school, I got an award for most enthusiasm. I was so excited that I tripped and fell into a vat of Zorgantian pickles. Everyone called me Smelly Shelly for weeks. I guess that was my worst memory, too.
That's your worst memory? You lived a charmed life.
Oh, yeah? Well, what's your worst memory, Mr. Hapless Harry?
When I was a young turtle, my home planet was destroyed. My family and I got back from vacation to find a bunch of smoldering rocks. Took us ages to sort out the insurance.
Oh,
Question 3.
What is your greatest secret?
I have a secret TV I sometimes watch when I'm supposed to be working.
are you sure there's something wrong with the engine, Harry?
Yeah, it was rattling or something. Keep looking.
Yeah, I'm afraid of space. Not sure why.
How's that engine coming along, Shelly?
Question 4.
If you had one wish, what would it be?
I would wish for a day of peace and quiet, where everyone leaves me alone and no one bothers me. That would be nice.
Way to dream big, Harry.
Thanks, Shelly. What's your wish?
I'd wish to be Employee of the Month. It's crazy difficult to accomplish because Mama Zerf's Pizza has billions of employees. But you never know. Maybe someday.
Okay, that's a wrap. Let's get some grub.
You read my mind, Harry.
The end.